Well folks, I was just doing a little video there of what I'm now calling the Interceptor, as you can see right here. And I did have the drone out and I accidentally crashed it, and now my drone is up there on that railway bridge. Alright, here we are, first ride on the new and improved Interceptor. I'm taking it very easy because it is super slidey on these roads today. The last thing I want to do is to drop this bike right after I finished fitting the vintage rally kit from Bon Motorbikes in France. So if you haven't seen the unboxing video, you should go and check that out. That's going to give you a breakdown of all the parts that are included in the kit. The kit's available from Bon Motorbikes in France. You can check out their website. I'll put a link in the description to their website. And I'm absolutely I couldn't be more delighted with it. Now I might have got a little bit lucky in that, you know, this kit is exactly what I was looking for. And when I say that, I was thinking about customising my Interceptor, and it was all the kind of scrambler style builds that were really sticking out to me. But I wanted something a bit different, so I started looking at potentially building a scrambler using a Continental GT tank, looking at buying high level mudguards and modifying them to fit and all that stuff. And yeah, I just came across an image of, in fact, this exact bike, I guess. So the white vintage rally kit with the blue and red, what they call the Paris Abidjan, I think. I came across that on Instagram and thought that's got to be the best looking Interceptor I've ever seen. And I assumed it was a custom at the time. Actually, I kept looking at it, and then I realised eventually that actually this is a kit you can buy, a DIY kit. So I went out and checked the website for Bon Motorbikes, and you know, it's not cheap by any means, so I kind of mulled it over for quite a while, and then eventually I thought, you know what, I'm at the very least going to buy a couple of things from the kit. And before I knew it, I had ordered the full kit. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down here a little bit, and we're going to get to the big unveil. So I've got a nice little spot over here that I love to stop in at. We'll get the phone out, we'll get the drone out, hopefully, if it's not too windy, and we'll get a couple of really nice shots to let you see how the bike's looking after this huge transformation. Well folks, I was just doing a little video there of what I'm now calling the Bon Interceptor, as you can see right here. And I did have the drone out, and I was getting a couple of nice shots. I flew in from here and got a little shot there, done a little spin around the bike, and then I thought I'd fly in from over here, up by that railway bridge up there, and I flew down, I got down to here, and I thought I'll pan up the way, and I got all the way up there, and I accidentally crashed it, and now my drone is up there on that railway bridge. So the unveiling of The Bonbon Interceptor has now cost me one drone, one DJI Mini 2. So now I'm going to phone the railway company and see if there's any way that we can get that drone back. If not, I am without drone again. So, like and subscribe, if only through pity. But look at that, what an absolute beauty. Let's go and ride her home. So I'll tell you something, the little screen works, by the way. This little screen is not just for looks, it is taking the wind blast off of me. Significantly less wind blast hitting my face and my chest as well. That's just sitting at 60, I'm not really feeling it at all, so that's fantastic. I did have concerns that this was going to act like a bit of a wind catcher, the tank cover, but again, nothing at all. No wind getting in there whatsoever. Yeah, the bike feels exactly the same, but now it looks absolutely phenomenal. I'm a little bit paranoid that the roads are kind of slippy. I haven't been out on the bike for a couple of months, so definitely want to be taking it quite easy here on the way home. I've already lost a drone today, I do not need to follow that up with crashing the bike. But yeah, how disappointing and frustrating for that to have been the end of my unveiling photo shoot, to crash the drone right onto a railway bridge. The annoying part is I could still connect to the drone, so I can see, I'm sitting here, I could see the railway and I can see the trains going past. Perhaps there's a way that the rail company can get me the drone back. If I can't get that drone back, well, that'll be that. My times of being a drone pilot are over.
So I hope you've enjoyed seeing the Bonbon Interceptor in this unveiling video. A couple of things to point out. The kit actually has bars and bar risers that come with it, so a set of black scrambler handlebars and black bar risers. I've not fitted those yet, and I'm not 100% sure that I'm going to, mainly because I'm one of the few people who actually quite like the chrome bars and chrome mirrors on the Interceptor. But we'll see. I've got them there, and maybe we'll play around with it and we'll see what we want to do in the long term. I'd also like to fit new tyres, but the stock tyres on this bike are fine, and I'm not in the habit of wasting money, so I'll wait till I'm replacing them anyway, and I'll get something a little bit more aggressive, more of a kind of street scrambler kind of vibe. This unveiling video was just the first of a few to come. I'm going to be uploading videos with all the fittings for each individual part, and I'll do a deep dive into some of these parts as well. They should be coming a lot faster than this one has come. I'd imagine I'll get them 2 or 3 videos out over the course of the next week or so. And that's it for today. Please use the links in the description to go and check out Bonbon Motorbike's website. You don't have to buy these as a full kit, you can buy all the individual parts, so the tank cover, the side panel, the tail light assembly, the fender, all these things, the modular seat, they can all be sold as individual parts. So go and check out their website. If you like what you see and you want to see more, of course, you are welcome to like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. But for today, ride safe and take it easy. Cheers.